Hello and welcome. For those of you who are offering blended drinks like frappuccinos and smoothies, and you need to put whipped cream on top of your drinks, we are going to review this brand, which is Emborg, and this brand is cheaper than a regular whipping cream, which is, in this case, something like Anchor. This is a budget one, and the price is half that of a more premium brand. So we are going to find out whether it is okay to use them for our drinks, and also what is the texture and the taste. Is it stable enough for our drinks? So I am doing this so you don't have to. Let's find out. For this experiment, I am going to use 1 cup, put it straight into my chilled bowl, which is about 250 milliliters of whipped cream. There you go, so that's 1 cup. Let's start with low speed. And then we move to high speed. So I think this should be enough for my whipped cream. Now let's put it into our piping bag. Now this is the one using Anchor. So this time, this is the premium whipped cream, Anchor. Today we are reviewing 2 different types of whipping cream. One is this brand, Emborg, which is quite popular, especially in the Philippines, because this is a budget whipping cream and it's supposed to be non-dairy. And we are comparing this with a regular whipping cream, in this case Anchor, and this is a heavy whipping cream. So the price of Emborg is half the price of Anchor. So what we're saying is that it is 50% cheaper. So we're trying to establish whether is it okay, is it good enough for our drinks. So if you are offering frappuccino and smoothie or anything that you need whipping cream on your drinks, then we are establishing whether this brand is good enough, okay? So as far as the texture is concerned, when I was doing it, they both look good. I mean, this is the Emborg, and the color is just different.
Yeah.
Right? So I'm going to let Christiana give us her review.
So this is pure, it's just whipped.
It's just whipping cream, and they're just both whipped. You're right,
Okay.
whipped cream. Okay, nothing else. We didn't add anything else. So now she's going to, if you could tell us the texture, the looks, and the taste.
I mean, from here it looks very similar, just in terms of the texture, but the color of this one is a little bit more yellow. This one's very, very white, so interesting to taste it.
Okay, and really both of them are quite stable, right? The texture is stable. Okay, let's try and taste.
Whipped cream.
Whipped cream.
This is my childhood dream. Whoa. Yeah, I would say they're both really good in terms of the taste, but they do taste very different. So the Emborg one's probably the classic whipped cream taste that you would feel like you want to have, you know, when you're a kid and you want to have a bowl of whipped cream, you're probably thinking of this one. Whereas this one has like a little bit more of a smooth, velvety texture. But in terms of the taste, they're very, very similar.
Would you say this one is sweeter than this one?
Yeah, this one's definitely sweeter.
Okay, but this is what you would be craving for, right? For drinks.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, it's. I think if you're if this is where you can save money and this is 50% of the cost, then I would say it's an okay choice to go for this one. Yeah.
Okay.
But
so
if you wanted to go, I mean, if you wanted to go like all out, get the Rolls Royce of whipped cream, then this one will have just the texture is a little bit different. So it just, if you're charging a little more for your drinks, I guess, or you're having it at home and you want something nice, then this one.
This one is good enough, so you don't have to really go all the way out to have this on your drinks.
Yeah,
because
I think
this
so.
is good enough, right?
Yeah, it's like more than good enough. Like if you give a kid a bowl of this, they would be really happy. So
How about if I give you a bowl of that?
I'll be really happy too.
Okay, there you go. So you can cut costs by making use of this cheaper option for your whipped cream. So there you go, that's the verdict. So once again, we are doing this. Why are we doing this? So that you don't have to.
Yeah.
If you have any questions about this experiment at all, do let us know, comment below. In the meantime, click that subscribe button below for more of this video tutorials. Stay tuned, stay safe, take care. Thank you for watching.
Ciao for now.
Thank you.